So I'm just gonna saw out the center. And I can already see that I've left my piece of wood, this happens, too big. So my saw frame, see, I'm stuck. And this is what happens. So you have to unstring your saw blade, pull that out, and I'll have to actually cut out the outside first. Like this, and then cut this in out. And I may have to come in from 2 directions actually. But you can see, look how fast this is cutting. If you've ever cut, you know, 18 gauge sheet metal, it doesn't cut this easily. And you can kind of blow off the dust as you go. If it gets kind of hung up, just keep working. And you want to keep your blade going straight up and down. You can angle it, but then that's going to give you a beveled edge. This is just like if you were cutting through a piece of clay or something soft. If you angle your knife, you're going to get an angled edge. Same goes with the saw. And I'm keeping my fingers way out of the way. Okay, so you get the idea. And I'm going to go ahead and I've got one ready over here. So I'm just going to set this aside. And I've got one ready to go. Now this is my favorite part. We didn't talk about this in the tools, but I actually use something called a flex shaft to do the carving. I like it because down here I've got an adjustable foot pedal, so I can control the speed or gas. And you can see when I push the pedal, just gently it goes slow, and then I can really crank up the rotation. So go ahead and put your safety glasses back on. And I've already got my carving tool in here, and what you're going to do, I kind of like working over a block to prop it up, but you're just going to kind of give it a paring motion and take down those edges. And I'm not a precise carver. I like all the texture and everything that this leaves you with. And the cool thing is, like I mentioned earlier, this wood is really inexpensive. So if you mess this up, it's okay. Within about 2 minutes, you can have another shape sawed out, and you can just keep going and try it again. This is all about experimenting and making something that's completely yours.